I'm literally salivating right now.
Did you record that?
Hi everyone, it is Zach from Zacs Sweet Shop. Today we are gonna make some chocolate covered pretzels dipped in rainbow candies because we all know chocolate covered pretzel is not enough at Zacs Sweet Shop. So we are gonna coat her up and it is gonna be so good. Let's get into it. Okay, so the ingredients. It is miniature pretzel rods. Mini is key here. You need the mini rainbow candies because
everything is better in mini.
Milk chocolate and white chocolate, and that's about it. It's 4 ingredients, so easy, and yeah. Okay. First, you're gonna melt your milk chocolate for about 2 minutes in the microwave, and then after that first 2 minutes is melted, you're gonna do it in about 30-second intervals, and you're gonna have a nice, thick, milk chocolatey layer. So, let's go. Now you're just gonna mix it up, and it's really important to temper the chocolate. And basically what tempering means is you don't overheat the chocolate. If you overheat it, it's gonna burn. So as you can see, this was really solid at first, and we're kind of melting it honestly by hand. So let this cool for about a minute and a half, and then that's when you're gonna start your 30-second intervals. It's an arm workout, but trust it's worth it. See, as you can see, it's already really starting to melt down, and that way you don't have to keep melting it. And if you can see, I'm really like working in there, that chocolate. But really, this has only been in there for 2 minutes in the microwave, and it is already nearly fully melted, which is amazing and exactly what you want. If you can see, it's a nice, you really want it to be nice and runny like that. That means it is nicely tempered. When I first took it out, it was burning hot, and now it's a much cooler temperature, and that is perfect for the chocolate. It's gonna give you that nice milky chocolate finish, which is exactly what you want. It's literally glistening. This is pretty good, right? I'm like a little chocolate tear. See, so it is like basically fully melted. And that is the key when you know you tempered it right, is when it runs like that, that little clump, that's not good. It's not done yet. You don't want any clumps in there at all, and you really just gotta keep on mixing it. But a lot of people think you can't melt chocolate in the microwave. With the right chocolate wafers, which I'll link down below, you really can temper very nicely in the microwave. When I started Zacs Sweet Shop, I did everything in the microwave. Now we have some tempering machines, but it is 100% possible to do it like this. And I'm gonna show you how. So yeah, it's fully tempered now, and we're ready for dipping. Next step, I'm gonna dip the pretzels in the chocolate fully tempered. What I like to do is I like to put the bowl to the side a little bit, dip your pretzel, twirl her around, wipe it off on the side, then you're gonna place it in your bowl of mini rainbow candies. I like to kind of sit her in there, cover it with some M&Ms. You're gonna keep on doing it. Twirl it around. You don't wanna wipe too much off because you wanna make sure it's like a nice chocolate coating all the way throughout. And you just kind of let them sit in there. It cools in about 45 seconds, and it's perfect because as you're dipping all of them, you are already letting them dry. So yeah, so now we're gonna let them cool for a little bit, then we're gonna drizzle them up in white chocolate, which is honestly my favorite part of the process. And then that's basically it. It literally takes you not more than 15 minutes to make these. So next you're gonna bring out another sheet tray. You can kind of do whatever you want in terms of a plate, a baking pan, a baking sheet, however you want to do it. Once these are dry, I'm gonna give it a little bit more time, but once these are dry, you're gonna lay them all out, and then they'll be ready for drizzling. And what I like to do, honestly, to keep it all moving and grooving is while these are drying, you can literally take a plastic bag, Ziploc bag, whatever you have, put a little bit of white chocolate in here, start melting it back in the microwave, and then this will be your little drizzling chocolate. So while it's drying, put this in the microwave. Everything that we're about at Zacs Sweet Shop, it's color, it's texture, it's crunch, it's layers, it's all the things that we love. So now you have the white chocolate. This is only 30 seconds in the microwave, by the way. This is your personal stress ball, honestly. You keep just kind of jiggling it like this to make sure that there's no clumps. I think the biggest thing with these is just make sure there aren't clumps. Because let me tell you, when I first started, we had clumps, we had burning. That's the big thing too, is chocolate is really easy to burn, especially in the microwave. So make sure you don't burn, and if you do, it's okay. Next, these are nice and dry. She is thick, but she is good. Take these suckers out of here. And what's beautiful about these is they don't all look the same. And that is life. Sometimes they like clump a little bit together. It's okay. It's all okay. But yeah, this has been such a fun one. I wasn't sure how this product was gonna do for us. I have to say, one of my fave creators ever, Christina Kirkman, did a video taste testing this product. She blew it up, and now it's one of our best sellers. So I was like, I have to make a video. I wanna show that anyone can do this. Not everyone can do it like me, but anyone can do it. Next, you're gonna need a pair of scissors, which I will go find. Your chocolate is ready for drizzling. The drizzle is so fun. I always say I started Zacs Sweet Shop basically as like an art project. To this day, it is still an art project. All of our sweets come drizzled. I think it's so fun because you can drizzle however you want. You can do single layer drizzles, you can do a little zigzag. We kind of do just a little classic back and forth drizzle, which I am about to do. Cut the tip. It's ready for drizzling. And this is, again, this is my, what am I trying to say? This is my canvas, this is my paintbrush, and I am the painter. But it is genuinely so much fun to drizzle. It's honestly so therapeutic. You just kind of keep going back and forth. I'm doing them individually, but honestly, sometimes if I'm feeling a little crazy, you can do a little 2-for-1, and there you have it. Your chocolate covered pretzels with rainbow candy. It's crazy that like this little tray of these 4 ingredients turn out to this. It is so yummy, and it honestly is like the perfect snack, the perfect gift. It's sweet, it's salty, it's delicious. And there we go. Rainbow Crunch pretzels, made by me, especially for you. Zacs Sweet Shop.